Hey NailTubers, what is up Nailification Squad? We're using a special polish today. So how are you? Gosh, it feels like it's been a while. I guess that's just from work, huh? Oh, and thank you to everyone who was able to make it to my very first live. It went way longer than I anticipated, but you know what? It was such good conversation, right? I really enjoyed all of you. Thank you again. And as requested, there'll definitely be more, so remember to subscribe and look forward to that. These polishes are so beautiful to me. There's so much shimmer and I've been wanting to do a set with this color. Believe it or not, since I started this channel last year. This polish came at the same time I had the polish from the very first nail set I ever posted on YouTube. Now when it goes on, it is rather sheer and takes a number of coats. I think 4 maybe, which I don't remember how many I did on camera because this was actually recorded around a month and a half ago or more. You'll recognize what I'm wearing on my right hand to look similar to the green nails and design that I did in my last Bougie Nails on a Budget. They were recorded back to back, and there'll be a link at the end of this video in case you're interested in seeing it. But because it's a shimmer, it does dry a little faster than a regular polish, which I do like. I know it can be annoying to wait for polish to dry, but I've adapted ways to be preoccupied in between, like watching YouTube videos and catching up, which makes it easy actually when I do Bougie Nails on a Budget, and also the reason why I always do voiceovers in this series. Oh, I remember now doing another coat. Then an ombre on the index fingernail. I use this makeup sponge, which I mentioned before. I'm having such a hard time now finding more hollowed sponges because this firm sponge absorbed most of the polish, which can tend to cause gaps and lumping in your ombre. Because this is regular polish, it'll become more smoothed out when the top coat goes on. You know, like almost like the polishes will melt together. So yeah, I think this is like the 4th coat probably. And then I went in with the brush on the ombre to blend out the ombre a little bit more. So this is the packet of stencils I used for a pattern on the ring finger. You see the ones I used for the green nails? But I'll be using these today. What I like is how the negative space remains on the sheet when you pull back the primary part of the stencil. You can even lay this and encapsulate it for a nice nail design as well. Since the shimmer polishes were too transparent, I chose a solid color polish for the pattern. Now I don't know if you can see how the sponge is too absorbent. It sucks up too much of the polish, causing it to go on thin. But you know what? I actually didn't have that nail secured very well on the stand, so take a look. But thankfully nothing messed up. Then I came across these gems at my local beauty supply, and they were only like $1.49, and I actually thought they looked nice, so I decided to use them since this is Bougie Nails on a Budget. I didn't do any gems on the original XXL length set that I have on my right hand. Plus, I've been promising to include more working and short lengths, so I felt to do the embellishment on these for some added interest. To me, the XXL nails already speak for themselves, no matter what you put on them, if you know what I mean. I mean, they just get attention regardless, don't they? I love the pattern on the clear nail. Ever since I started doing different things on each nail, I never went back to solid nails even though I said I will from time to time. they so pretty? I really hope you enjoyed today's DIY press-on nails, bougie nails on a budget. And here's a special surprise because it is summertime, guys. So we did our feet too. Tips and toes, honey. Isn't this just too pretty? Well, thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I really appreciate it because I know that your time is valuable to you. And if you like or if you enjoyed yourself today, remember to hit that subscribe button. And when you do, so that you don't miss anything else from me, don't forget to click the Nailification bell. And I look so much forward to seeing you next time. Much love.